Number 1. You can turn any YouTube video into a GIF using the URL. Everyone loves GIFs, but knowing how to make them isn't common knowledge. Well, it should be, because all it takes is a little YouTube URL trick. To create a GIF from a YouTube video, select a video to watch on YouTube and find the URL at the top of your browser. Add the word GIF right before the domain name so it reads www.gifyoutube.com web link. This will bring you to gifs.com, with your video already uploaded and ready for editing. Here, you'll find a menu of options to the left-hand side, with the timeline bar along the bottom of your video. You can set the GIF duration, crop its frame, add captions, and more. Click Create GIF on the top right, and it'll prompt you for a GIF title and set of tags. Then click Next, and you have a handy landing page from which to share your newly minted GIF. Keep in mind you can only download this GIF to an offline file by signing up with gifs.com. Number 2. You can create a link that starts a YouTube video at a certain time. Ever wanted to send someone a YouTube video, but point them to a specific moment? Let's say you're trying to recruit your friends to learn the dance in Stevie Wonder feat Ariana Grande's Faith music video with you. Instead of sending your friends the general YouTube link and instructing them to fast forward to the 0:50-minute mark, you can actually send them a specific YouTube time link that starts the video at whichever time you choose. Alright, here's how to do it. To create a link that starts a YouTube video at a certain time, open up the video and click Share to the far right of the video title. Then, in the window of options that appears, check the box next to Start It and type in the time, in hours, minutes, seconds, you want. Alternatively, you can pause the video at the time you want it to start and that field will autofill. After a few moments, you'll see a tag add itself to the end of the generic YouTube link, in this case, T=50s. Simply copy that link and paste it wherever you'd like. It's worth noting that you can't embed a video so it starts at a certain time. You can't only link to it. Like this video now, and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the bell. Number 3. You can easily see the written transcripts of people's videos. Did you know, YouTube automatically generates a written transcript for every single video uploaded to its website? That's right, and anyone has access to that transcript unless the user manually hides it from viewers. I can think of a number of different situations where video transcripts can come in handy. For example, maybe you want to write down a quote from a video, but the tedium of pausing and typing would drive you up a wall. Or perhaps you need to find a specific section of a video, but don't want to rewatch the whole thing to find it. With a transcript in hand, you can find information like this without doing it all by hand. To see a video's transcript, open the video in YouTube and press the More tab underneath the video title. Choose Transcript from the drop-down menu. If you aren't seeing this option, it's because the user chose to hide the transcript. This transcript will appear as a new module in the same window. In many cases, the user who uploaded the video will not have gone back and manually polished the transcript, so it won't be perfect. But it'll certainly save you some time and pain.